Welcome to Media Manager Online, South Africa's most important media information source and planning tool. This tutorial covers PRAM. PR analysis and metrics, i.e. PRAM, is an evaluation creation tool designed for use by professional PR practitioners. The PRAM module links into advertising rates and performance data in Media Manager Online to enable advertising value equivalent AVE calculations to be done quickly, easily, consistently, and with transparency. Currently, print and radio are covered on Media Manager Online. You can read more about AVE and PR evaluation in the Media Manager PRAM user manual. The user manual can be downloaded from the Help module on Media Manager. The PRAM module is accessed by clicking the PRAM option located on the menu bar. You will be directed to the default page. You can read this page at your leisure to learn more about PRAM and its options. To start using the PRAM tool, click the blue button "Don't show me this information again" at the top of the text. If you would like to read the About PRAM page at a later stage, click About PRAM in the application menu on the left-hand side. If you are having trouble accessing PRAM, it may not be enabled on your profile. PRAM is not enabled if the blue button "Don't show me again" is not displayed, or the PRAM route or categories map options do not appear in the application menu on the left-hand side. To request PRAM to be enabled, contact Media Manager via the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page. Click on PRAM Route in the application menu to access the PRAM main view. A list of previously created categories are displayed together with the number of articles or cuttings entered in each of the categories. A category is a grouping of clients, brands, and campaigns that have been created for analysis. Categories may have nested subcategories, and in turn, subcategories can have further subcategories. For example, a typical categories and subcategories nest might be as follows. The client is the category, the various brands are the subcategories, and the various campaigns are the further subcategories. To expand the categories to show the subcategories nested within, click on Categories Map in the application menu on the left-hand side. You can toggle between the views by clicking the respective option in the application menu. Categories and subcategories are ranked in alphanumeric order. Thus, December will appear before January if text alone is used. We recommend using both numbers and text in your naming conventions so that campaigns can be arranged in a systematic order. To create a new category, navigate to the root view, click New Category to the right of the taskbar, type the category or client's name in the text box, and enter the desired editorial weight. Most South African PR practitioners have traditionally believed that editorial value is 3 times that of any advertising, and thus this is the default used in Media Manager. Read more about editorial weight in the Media Manager PRAM user manual or by clicking About PRAM in the application menu. You can confirm the default editorial weight of 3 or change to any number between 1 and 99. Click Submit. All articles within this category will now be multiplied by the entered editorial weighting. Note, this editorial weighting is applicable for all subcategories and articles within the category. You are not able to independently change the editorial weighting for each entered article. To create a subcategory, Select the category you would like to add to and click on New Subcategory in the PRAM taskbar. Type the subcategory or campaign name in the text box and submit. Note: subcategories retain the same editorial weighting as the top category. To edit a category or subcategory, select the category or subcategory in either the PRAM root view or category map view. Alternatively, if you are navigating within a category nesting, you can click on the desired category link highlighted in blue in the toolbar. Click Edit, make the changes as required, and click Submit. Note: if you amend the category editorial weighting, all the article entries in that category and subsequent subcategories will be recalculated. To delete a category or subcategory, select the target category and click Delete. You will then be prompted to confirm the removal of this category or subcategory. Note that once a category has been deleted, all subcategories and articles nesting within will also be deleted and cannot be recovered. To create an article or clipping for a print title in a category or subcategory, click on the target category or subcategory and click New Article. You will then be directed to the Medium Search dialog box. Type in the desired medium in the text field and press Enter on your keyboard. A list of search results will be displayed. Select the desired medium. Then select the issue date of the print title on the calendar provided. You can change the month by clicking on the relevant arrows on the left and right of the calendar. Next, the rate dialog box will be displayed. The first table represents the print title's active rate card on Media Manager for the selected date. The table below lists the key rates for that particular title. Select the color of the article in the key rate table, black and white, or full color. Note: most frequently the options will either be black and white or full color. But increasingly, print mediums charge one rate irrespective of the color. In this instance, only FC will be on display. Following, the evaluation dialog box will be displayed where you'll be required to fill in the form. Required fields will display Required in the relevant text box. The fields are as follows. Headline. Enter the article's headline. Byline. Enter the editor or journalist's name on the article, if any. We recommend typing the surname first, followed by the first name, so that you're able to sort and group by name at a later stage. Article type. Select the options from the drop-down menu, or, if not available, select Other and type in your own article type. Location. Select from the options from the drop-down menu, or, if not available, select Other and type in your own location type. Page number. Enter the page number that the article appears on. Number of pictures. Enter the number of pictures that appear in the article. Leading issue. Your description of the main discussion points in the article. Sources quoted. Your description of sources, for example, a company spokesperson, in the article, if any. Origination. Select from the options in the drop-down menu, or select Other and type in your own origination type. For example, your company name. Tone rating. Select from the options in the drop-down menu. Note that the tone rating has no effect on the total AVE value. Once complete, click Next. The AVE dialog box is now displayed. Complete the form. The fields are as follows. Position weight. In most circumstances, ROP display at 0% loading will be appropriate. Select other positions if the article appears on covers. Entry size. Enter the article's depth in millimeters in the first block and width in millimeters in the second block. If additional sizes are required, for example, a second page or an additional column, select on More Dimensions and enter the additional sizes in millimeters. Editorial weight. The category editorial weighting is displayed. Note, this is not editable and set per category, which is applicable for all articles nested within. AVE value. This is the calculated rate card value of the article. You will note that when you enter the dimensions, the AVE value is automatically calculated. Medium adjustment. Used to adjust the AVE value upwards or downwards as a percentage of the original. We highly recommend that you use this sparingly, as it may have unexpected consequences on the total value. AVE plus value. This is the AVE value multiplied by the editorial weight. You will note that when you enter the dimensions, the AVE plus value is automatically calculated. Once complete, click Next. Lastly, the Management dialog box is now displayed. Complete the form. The fields are as follows. Entry captured by. By default, the name is autofilled with the profile user's name. You can change if necessary. Comment. Your additional description of events, activities, background, or future action relating to the article, if any. Future action by. Name of person who is following up future action, if any. Future action date. Date by which future action is to take place, if any. If you would like to make changes to any of the entries before you submit, you can toggle between the dialog boxes by clicking the relevant tab at the top. However, if you are happy with your entered information, click the Final Submit in the Management tab. The article input is saved and a summary is displayed as confirmation. To create an article for a radio station in a category or subcategory, click on the target category or subcategory and click New Article. You will then be directed to the Medium Search dialog. Type the desired station in the text field and press Enter on your keyboard. A list of search results will be displayed. Select the desired station. Then select the flighting date of the radio piece on the calendar provided. Next, the Rate dialog box will be displayed. Select the time period in which the radio piece was broadcast. Fill in the evaluation fields as previously outlined, and click Next. In the AVE dialog box, you'll be required to enter the duration of the piece in minutes and seconds in the relevant boxes. To add more times, click More Times. Once complete, click Next. Fill in the management fields as previously outlined. And click Submit. The article input is saved and a summary is displayed as confirmation. To add additional articles in the same subcategory, click New Article in Category Name on the right-hand side of the taskbar and follow the previously defined steps. To edit an existing article, select the article which you would like to edit, click Edit, make the required changes, and submit. Note: you can only amend certain fields as provided. If you need to make further amendments to the article, you can delete the article and re-input the information. To move an existing article to another category or subcategory, select the category featuring the target article, select Manage in the taskbar, choose the new category or subcategory from the drop-down box, tick the box of the article you would like to move, and submit. To delete an article, select the target article and click Delete. You will be prompted to confirm the removal of this article. Note: once an article has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. To export a summary of the articles within a category or subcategory, select the target category, click the chosen file format, XLS, i.e. Excel, or PDF on the right-hand side of the taskbar. The file will be downloaded to your computer and once complete, can be accessed from the Downloads bar at the bottom of your internet browser or from your Downloads file on your computer. This file can be sent to your client as a summary of PR performance for a brand or campaign. We hope you have found this guide useful. If you need any more guidance, contact us on 011-465-3704 or desk@mediamanager.co.za.